You ever find yourself wasting time, dragging your mouse across the screen just to do something simple, like opening a new tab or copying a URL? It doesn't seem like much, but all those seconds add up. Imagine if you could work 10 times faster just by using a few simple keyboard shortcuts. Sounds good? Stick around, because once you start using these, there's no turning back. Hey there, welcome to Top 5 of Everything, where facts surprise you, motivation drives you, and tech makes life easier. If that sounds like your kind of thing, you're in the right place. So today, I'm sharing 5 keyboard shortcuts that'll save you time and effort every single day. Some of these are absolute game changers, so let's dive in. Ever find yourself grabbing your mouse, dragging it up to the address bar, clicking, then typing? Feels like no big deal, right? But over time, that's hours wasted. Instead, just hit Ctrl plus L, and boom, your cursor is right there, ready to go. Try it once. You'll never go back. Multitasking is a mess when you're constantly dragging and resizing windows. But here's the fix. Windows plus left arrow snaps a window to one side. Windows plus right arrow snaps another. Now, you've got the perfect split screen setup in seconds. Work smarter, not harder. Ever closed a browser tab by accident and immediately regretted it? Sometimes you don't even remember what you were looking at. No worries, just hit Ctrl plus Shift plus T, and it's back. Works even if you closed multiple tabs. This one's an absolute lifesaver. Jumping between apps using a mouse? Way too slow. Instead, hold Alt plus Tab, and you can instantly cycle through open windows. Tap Tab repeatedly while holding Alt to scroll through them. Once you start using this, you'll never go back to the old way. This one's my personal favorite. We all make typos. Fixing them letter by letter? Annoying. Instead, use Ctrl plus Backspace, and it deletes entire words in one go. So much faster, so much easier. Try it, and you'll see what I mean. So, which one blew your mind? Got a favorite shortcut you can't live without? Or maybe one of these just changed the game for you? Drop a comment. I actually read them all. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps. And if you want more time-saving tricks, make sure to subscribe. At Top 5 of Everything, we're all about making life easier, smarter, and more interesting, one video at a time. See you in the next one.